Hi, my name is Trevor Yeltman, and I am a sixth grade science teacher here at Cambridge Isani Schools in Minnesota. Who am I? I am a father, I'm a hunter, I'm a chef, outdoor enthusiast. I just like being outside. Those are my kids, Stark and Timber. The oldest boy there is Stark and Timber. Um, Here is some fun things I learned from the tech. I like the adding the GIF and stuff is fun. But so here's some of the things I enjoy, like I just mentioned, and chainsaws and hunting and being outside. So, a little bit about me. This particular assessment, John Deere Green, is my favorite assessment. It's my first one of the year. It's a formative assessment where I just simply say, all right, students, I need you to listen to the song. And they listen. And then afterwards, I surprise them with a bunch of questions about the song. And they have no idea. They don't know anything every time. I also do that same thing with let me see here. Oops, I think I clicked something wrong here. I do the same thing with Traveling Soldier. So another song, I'll pick different songs, and I'll probably do this one here in a few weeks. Now that we're a few weeks into school, I like to kind of revisit this idea of that listening takes effort. So why would I tell you to listen? Does listening take effort? What is the benefit to being a good listener? Is there a difference between listening and hearing? And so we just talk about how, and I teach them that it's important to listen. And that's just a really fun formative assessment that I use to try to help build community. This is another fun formative assessment I just learned last. I did it once. I learned it last class. It's Iron Chef. So the kids make presentations as groups, and they pick a topic and they tell you everything they need to know in just a 10-minute time frame. And in whatever they have, they present. And this is just a fun way to get the kids to revisit what they've learned and show us what they've learned in a different way. Speaking of a different way, we do have a summative assessment that we created, and it's right here. We just created this last week. The sixth grade science curriculum people did here, and we put the standard on there. We created an assessment that was based off of the standard, and so everything's being met there. Um, One of the things that, here's the answer keys, of course, but that's the hard part that I'm having. The thing I'm having trouble with, and what I'm hoping to learn, is I want to learn how to do different assessments, because sometimes the kids can verbally tell me everything and they just know it. They know about, the water cycle or the heat cycle and things like that, and then you go to have them, type it up, and then there's nothing there. So I don't know. I just want to learn. I'm very interested in this class. I want to see how other people are doing assessments and how they're using them. I am not using them to the best of my ability at this point, and it's like I said, with the new curriculum, there's just a lot to learn. So that's just a little bit about me and some of the assessments I'm using.